Good morning, students. Today we will be doing chapter 3, that is factors and multiples, and our topic is finding LCM by different methods. First of all, we will understand what are multiples. The multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying the number consecutively by each of the natural numbers. Let us do with the help of an example. Here we have to write the multiples of 8, and we will multiply the number 8 with the different natural numbers starting with 1. So the 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, and so on. Here the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. The first multiple of a number is the number itself. Here you can see the first multiple of 8 is 8, the number itself. There is no end to the multiples of a number. We can keep on multiplying the number with the different natural numbers. Thirdly, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Here the first multiple of 8 is 8, that is equal to the number 8, and the rest of the multiples of 8 are 16, 24, and 32, and they are greater than the number 8. When we have to write the 5th, 7th, and 8th multiple of number 12 in the second example, we will start multiplying the given number 12 with 5 in order to get the 5th multiple, that is 12 into 5 is 60. Then in order to get the 7th multiple, we will multiply 12 into 7, that is 84. And the 8th multiple of 12 is 12 into 8 is equal to 96. In order to write the first 5 multiples of 9 as shown in example 3, we will multiply the number 9 with the first 5 natural numbers, and they are 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Now you have to remember some more things also. The multiples of even numbers are even numbers only. For example, let us take an even number 6, and we will write the multiples of 6, which are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. And you can see that all these numbers are even numbers. And multiples of odd numbers are alternately odd and even. Let us understand with the help of an example. Let us take an odd number, that is 5. When we will write the multiples of 5, they are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. 5 is an odd number, 10 is an even number, then 15 is an odd number, 20 is an even number, then again 25 is an odd number. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are alternately odd and even numbers. Now let us start with the topic LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple, or you can say that lowest common multiple. First method of finding LCM is by common multiple method. In this method, we will find the multiples of the given number. Then we will find the common multiples of the numbers, and among them the smallest common multiple will be the LCM. Let us understand with the help of an example. Here the given number is 9 and 63, and we have to write the LCM of 9 and 63. First of all, we will write the multiples of 9, and they are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Now write the multiples of 63. I have written here 63 and 126. Only two multiples I have written here, because now I have found a smallest common multiple among these two numbers, that is 63. So no need to write the further multiples. So the common multiple is 63 and the LCM is 63, which is the smallest common multiple. Let us understand again with the help of a second example the given numbers of 2, 3, and 4. First of all, you will write the multiples of 2. Then you will write the multiples of 3. Then you will write the multiples of 4. Then you will find the common multiples among all these three numbers, and they are 12 and 24. Among 12 and 24, 12 is the smallest common multiple, and that is the LCM. So LCM is the smallest common multiple. Here the LCM is 12. Now in C part, first of all you will write the multiples of 3, then you will write the multiples of 9. The common multiples among these two numbers are 9, 18 and 27. These three numbers are coming in both the numbers. So among 9, 18 and 27, 9 is the smallest common multiple. So here the LCM is 9. So the LCM is the smallest common multiple. Now in order to find LCM on a number line, let us look at this example. Here the given numbers are 3 and 5. Now I will show you the multiples of 3 on a number line. First of all, I have written the digits on a number line. Then the first multiple of 3 is 3. The jump is from 0 to 3. Now the next multiple is 6. Then the number is from 3 to 6. Then the third is 3 to 9. Then it is from 6 to 9. Then it is from 9 to 12. And then after that 12 to 15. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Now the multiples of 5 are 5, 10 and 15. So I have shown you the jumps from 5, then it is 10, then it is 15. Then the common multiple between these two numbers is 15 only. So their LCM is 15. Now there is one more method, third method, that is finding LCM by prime factorization method. In this method, we first list the prime factors of the numbers and then multiply the common factors and the remaining prime factors. Let us understand here with the help of an example. The given numbers are 15 and 48. First of all, you will find the prime factorization of the given numbers. The prime factorization of 15 when we do, and the prime factors we get after prime factorization are 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Then the prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here only number 3 is common in both the numbers. So first of all we will write the number 3, then we will write all the remaining prime factors. They are 5. 1 time 5 is given, then 4 times 2 is also given. We will multiply all the prime factors, that is 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the LCM after multiplying we get is 240. Here in the second example, first of all we will find the prime factorization of the numbers, and the prime factors of 21 are 3 into 7. The prime factors of 63 are 3 into 3 into 7. There is only two numbers which are common in these two. They are 3 and 7. We will write 3 and 7, and the remaining 3 is left. We will also multiply that 3 also. So here the LCM we get is 3 into 7 into 3, that is 63. Now the last method in order to find the LCM is by common division method. In this we have to follow some steps. The step 1 is divide the given numbers by the smallest prime number, which can divide at least one of the numbers, and bring down the numbers that cannot be divided further. Now the second step is continue dividing by the smallest possible prime number until the number 1 is obtained. And the third step is multiply all the prime factors obtained to get the LCM. Let us understand with the help of the first example, that is 14 and 42. In this, we will divide 14 and 42 with our first prime number, that is 2. And all of you know 14 and 42 both are even numbers and they are easily divisible by number 2. So after dividing 14 by 2 we get the answer 7, and 42 by 2 we get the answer 21. Now you know 7 and 21 both are odd numbers and they are not divisible by number 2. So I will move to our next prime number, that is 3. Now you know that 7 is not divisible by 3. So I have just written 7 only. And 21 is divisible by 3. So I get the answer 7. Here Now my answers are 7 and 7. Now 7 and 7 both are divisible by 7 only because 7 is a prime number. So here the answer I get is 7 1 the 7, then again 7 1 the 7. Now I have get the answer 1 and in the end. Now I will multiply all the prime factors which are written outside and I will get the LCM. Here the LCM is 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42. Now in the second example, the given numbers are 20, 25 and 30. Let us start with our first prime number 2. All of you know 20 is divisible by 2 and the answer we get is 10. 25 is not divisible by 2, so I will write 25 only. 30 is divisible by 2, so I get the answer 15. Now again I will take 2. 10 is divisible by 2, the answer is 5. 25 is not divisible by 2, so I have written here 25 only. 15 is also not divisible by 2, so here I have written 15 only. Now all these three numbers 5, 25 and 15 are not divisible by 2, so I switch to number 3. Here 5 is not divisible by 3, so I have written 5 only. 25 is not divisible by 3, so I have written 25. 15 is divisible by 3, so answer I get after dividing is 5. Now the answers are 5, 25 and 5. All these three numbers are not divisible by 3, so I will switch to my next prime number, that is 5. 5 is divisible by 5, the answer is 1. 25 is divisible by 5, so the answer I get is 5. Now 5 is divisible by 5, so answer I get is 5. Now once more again I will divide the remaining 5 with 5. Here in the end the answer I get is 1, 1 and 1. And my prime factors obtained are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. And I will multiply all these prime factors and the LCM I get is 300. I hope the topic is very well clear to you. Thank you.